Things are given for you people, class, relationship between quantum factor given and corresponding formulas also you noted down. Please check it. If any voice is disturbance we are getting properly clear. Let me know that one. If any disturbance, let me know. Please note down. Yesterday we given, I think so this formula is also mentioned. P naught minus PS by P naught equal to I into XB, you can write. Even you can use this formula also, but mostly you can prefer this is the formula. If you are not getting exactly answer, then go this formula. Clear? The first priority you can give according to your NCERT book. Then P naught minus PS by P naught. I hope if dilute solutions we are getting NB by Na is correct for dilute solutions. The I should be only for solute. That I should be only for solute. Is it clear? Not for solvent. If NB by Na, I given relationship between molality and mole fraction, go and search your class notes. NB by Na equal to, I given sir, molality into Ma by 1000 also I mentioned formula. Please check. And even we given in place of molality, what you can write sir? Xb by Xa into anyway, that's we need. Leave that one. That's we can again that will be cancelled the terms. All right. This is the formula. And we may can write in place of molality and molarity relation also. I hope you know that one molality equal to m into 1000 by array capital M means molarity. Clear? Density into 1000 minus molarity into gram molecular weight of solute. This relation already I given sir. Please check it. This is solute. So I can write in place of m this complete formula. Molarity into 1000 by density into 1000 minus molarity into టమాటో పోతుంది ఇప్పుడు పిక్నికా మధ్యాహ్నం భోజనం 1కా మనం అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి తిని రావాలా సరే టమాటో బాత్ అయితే ఇక్కడ తీసుకొస్తారా ఇక్కడికి వస్తే ఓకే అన్న అంటే పంపిస్తే కావాలంటే ఇక్కడే ఇదే రూమ్ వాటర్ నేను అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి తాగి వస్తున్నాను సో యూ కెన్ చెక్ ఇట్ హియర్ gram molecular mass of solute. So this is molality sir, only molality part. Into what you can write sir? Ma by 1000 you need to write or not? This whole thing is only molality formula. This whole thing is only molality formula. So Ma by 1000. So suppose I am asking by giving relative lowering vapor pressure, then I can ask molarity also. Be ready to solve that one. You can use any one formula, sir, but I is there. Everywhere I is there. Keep in mind, every formula I is there. What does I means? Want of factor. Whom that is you have to write? Only for solute. So Only for solute, that is only for solute. So now we can solve one problem. Are in Learnity are able to write, are able to submit any homework? Are you submitting Learnity? Something you have internal score, something they're asking. Will you able to submit homework in Learnity? Okay, chemistry homework they didn't given still now. Anyway, today we are going to discuss something. That's all. Book back questions, NCRT, and in-text questions. Keep ready that one. That's I'm going to give same questions. You may can do that. If suppose I'm not giving homework, you can't submit directly in Learnity. Okay. So which is they provide through Learnity, that's only you can submit. Is it correct? Okay, fine. But regular chemistry homework you are doing or not? Regular chemistry per day 15 questions plus theory practice. That's you need to keep that notes. You have to maintain that is. When we are asking, you are sending that photo also, you can accept that is. Not only Learnity work, which is you are doing this extra thing, means not extra this is. Then this is very good work, then you are going to be considered this is for chemistry marks. I myself I am going to be consider my own work also because I am going to give chemistry score for you people. Then who done every day regularly my homework, theory practice plus problem solving, that's I preferred first priority. Then Learnity anyway that will be there, that format work. This is more important for me. So you have to maintain perfectly one rough work, rough notebook, like class notes only that is. Date wise. Now we can see one problem. Please note down this is. I will dictate mostly question. At least you can try 3 to 4 questions. Please note down this question. I am reading this question. Right. The vapor pressure of benzene is. Please note down. The vapor pressure of benzene is at certain temperature. Please note down. The vapor pressure of benzene is at certain temperature of at a certain temperature 640 mm of Hg. 640 mm of Hg. 640 mm of Hg. Here, a non-volatile and non-electrolyte solid, a non-volatile, please write sir, a non-volatile non-electrolyte solid weighing 2.175 grams, 2.175 grams is added to 39.09 grams of benzene. 39.09 grams of benzene. Then the vapor pressure of solution is 600 mm of Hg. The vapor pressure of solution is 600 mm of Hg. What is the molecular weight of solid? What is the molecular weight of solid? Please note down and solve this question. First write terminology what they give in each one, then write suitable formula, then substitute. Completed? Anyone got answer? Check it, sir. So what they given, write all the terminology first one by one. So P naught, how much they given? 640. P naught means starting value, sir, which is solute. That is they given here 640. And PS, how much they given? 600. Then WB, solute this is. How much they given solute? 2.175 grams. WA, how much they given added to 39.09 grams of benzene? That is solvent. Then they're asking MB, sir. That's only, no? What is the marker weight of solid? MB equal to how much? Solvent is the benzene. You may can calculate 78. Then substitute in this formula, sir. P naught minus PS by P naught equal to I into W by MB into MA by WA. I value is non-electrolyte means how much, sir? I value, I given table 1. Yes, your answer is correct. Now WB already they given, WA they given, MA they given, MB how to find out. Except MB, everything you know that one. Substitute, calculate MB, will get your answer. Did it? Once done, let me know that one. Got it answer? 69 something you got answer? Let's solve this one on paper. $69 approximate will get answer, maybe whatever. Check it. Is it any difficult question? First write all the terminology on paper, then choose corresponding formula, then substitute, you will get your answers. Yes? One more question I am dictating, you can try it. One more question. Array, who didn't understand, let me know that one. One more question, please note down, sir. Try next question I am dictating. Right, sir. I'm dictating. The vapor pressure of an aqueous solution of, right? The vapor pressure of an aqueous solution of glucose is, the vapor pressure of an aqueous solution of glucose is 750 mm of Hg. 750 mm of Hg at 373 Kelvin. At 373 Kelvin. Calculate the molality and mole fraction of the solute. Calculate the molality and mole fraction of the solute. Mole fraction of the solute. The things I given already, formula, molality and relative lowering vapor pressure. Both are given, sir. Molality and relative lowering vapor pressure relation I given already. You make and check it, that is, then substitute in that formula, try to get answer. Direct formula based question this is. Or if they are not mentioned, P naught means how much you have to take, sir? P naught is water. Please note down that point. If they didn't given P naught means under note you can note down, under note. If they are not provide P naught means that should be 760 mm of Hg or 1 atm. Atmospheric pressure you have to take, sir. If they are not provide P naught value, okay. If they use any percentage in the question, 20%, 30%, then you have to take P naught is 100. If percentage means 100, if generally they are giving means you can take P naught is 760. Any compound, any compound. In that case, actually, water is the general solvent. What is the solvent? If any other they mention means you will get that is that value they will provide. Benzene or something they will provide. Generally, P naught is 760 because atmospheric pressure. Try this formula. I think so already formula given, please substitute. And this is the formula, sir. So M P naught minus PS by P naught equal to M into MEA by 1000. I think so already given formula. I value I am taking 1 because the glucose is non-electrolyte. I value is 1. Substitute and you can get. Whatever you have doubts, you may can type. I can see that is everything. Yes, 0.73 is correct answer. Correct, sir. Solve it. Very good. Yes, 0.73 is correct answer. In this case, except M, everything you know that one. You can check it here. Except M, everything you know that one. That M equal to are going to be at 0.73. Now molality, mole fraction relation, you know that one. So this is the relationship between molality and mole fraction. M you know that one. XB you don't know. 1 minus XB, take it into 1000 by MA. MA is the solvent here. That mostly water. MA is solvent. Water, sir, what is the water molecular weight? 18 grams. Then substitute, get XB value. For XB is 0.013. This is your answer supposed to be. Please check it. Got it answer or not? I will ask you, sir, you done or not? You have to share your paper, rough work. Be ready to share that one. Completed? Shall we discuss one more question? Let's just substitution calculation only here. Do everyone, sir? Some people they are not doing. I'll ask those people. You need to send your rough work. Only 2 to 3 students are responding, sir. What about remaining people? Only very few students. Anish Karthik, dear sir, VN. Good answer. Pragadish. Bahirati, Gautam, I think she are sending. So these people are not responding at all. Darshan Kumar, Srija, Monica Shri, Lexin. These people never respond, sir. Just they are simply attending, I don't know, even they are listening or also I don't know that is. Vasant. No, they never. Soumya. No. Samina. Sikandar. I never seen you people. You never respond. Virendran. Preeti. Hmm? Kirtana Lakshmi. You never respond, you people actually. Send your answers. You can share. You can show your class notes by opening your video. I can see that one. Done or not? Hmm? Please do that one. Now are you getting any back sound? I hope you don't get. You didn't get. Now any sound you are getting? Fine. Array, who are not responding frequently, I can catch them. Then I will ask again, I will make unmute, then you have to give answers properly. Respond when you are giving question, you have to respond. That is minimum responsibility. Okay, note down one more question. I am dictating, note down. Note down question. Assuming ideal behavior Right, sir. Assuming ideal behavior, assuming ideal behavior, what mass of a non-volatile solid, what mass of a non-volatile solid of molar mass of molar mass 128 gram per mole, 128 gram per mole would have to be dissolved, would have to be dissolved in 228 gram, in 228 gram in 228 gram octane, 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 sir, octane. Things we can see at top of the screen. Formula I wrote octane C818, C818, C818 octane. To lower the vapor pressure of octane, to lower the vapor pressure of octane by 20%, to lower the vapor pressure of octane by 20%. Clear? Array all values I wrote on the screen. You may can see here which is a given values. If they mention percentage means under note you can note down, sir, under the question. If they mention anywhere percentage, that means P naught is 100 always. If percentage means P naught is 100. If they mention any percentage, then you have to take P naught is 100. Okay. Array after dictating 3 to 4 minutes, again you are writing question meaningless. I given why I didn't write because it will take time, that's why, but again you are asking assuming ideal behavior. Because it will take time, that's why dictated. What mass of a non-volatile solid of molar mass solid of molar mass 128 grams gram per mole. 128 gram per mole would have to be dissolved in 228 grams octane to lower the vapor pressure of octane by 20%. That's the question. So what's your answers? Right? I know some people they are not responding at all. Please write suitable formula. When they mention percentage means what I told you, sir, under note you can write. If they mention anything percentage means P naught equal to 100. Substitute that formula, sir. P naught minus PS by P naught equal to WB by MB into MA by WA. So WB, they mention 228, na? Sorry, that is WB only need to calculate, huh? What mass of A, WB have to calculate. MB, know that one, we given this is WA 228 and MA equal to, you can calculate, sir, octet molecular weight, C8H8 in formula. So 114 will get molecular weight. 114. Then substitute everything, you will get WB is the answer. This is 100 minus 80 by 100. 20% lowered means out of 120 is less. So how much remaining? 80. Equal to WB we don't know. Then MB equal to 128. MA equal to how much, sir? 114 by 228. By solving, we'll get WB value. Calculate how much we are getting WB. Okay, some people they are giving previous also different answer. Check it. $51.2. Anyone you got answer? Yes, yes, correct only. 51.2 is your answer. Clear? Any doubt? So three different model questions we done. In one question we asked molality mole fraction also by giving relative lowering vapor pressure. And other case we done in terms of percentage also given. And first case is general question. Got it? So remaining questions you need to practice. Array, suppose you are not able to upload in Learnit, I think so Learnit you are able to upload now everything. If you face any difficulty, then approach Mr. Ramesh. Here, he can resolve all your problems. So next I'm going to be discuss. What is the next one? Next concept, next colligative properties are right. Next colligative property. Next colligative property. Please write. Elevation in boiling point. Write it, sir. Elevation in boiling point. A very simple concept. Everyone you can understand. Little bit concentrate here. I'm going to be asking you questions. If any doubts, you may can send it, sir, through chat. You can find very easily. We'll discuss. Array 114 two times I think so you will get here 228. Then this is 20 will get 20 into 128 into 2 by 100. Multiply this is how much you will get, sir. This is 5 times. Then get here 128 into 2 by 5. That's your answer. Next, right, sir. Next, second colligative property, elevation in boiling point delta TB. Elevation in boiling point delta TB equal to Ts minus T naught. You make it right. Elevation in boiling point, right siding. Elevation in boiling point. Elevation in boiling point. Please, can you write? Elevation in boiling point. Array, open your class notes. I given 4 colligative properties. Second one you can note down. Open your NCERT book also, please. Open your NCERT book. Elevation in boiling point. Open your NCERT book. Everyone you can open your NCERT. Now you have to note down definition also, whatever they given. Now we are going to be explain here concept. Concentrate your concepts are very simple. This is everyone you can understand. It's not difficult concept. Which you are doing starting onwards only one concept. I'm taking pure solvent and their vapor pressure. So this is pure solvent. Its vapor pressure which you are getting is P naught. And check that one corresponding boiling point is T naught. Are here all of the only solvent molecules. Suppose in the surface is there, in the surface all only solvent molecules, that assume that 100 molecules is there, that can evaporate here. But I am taking next case non-volatile contained solution. So we added one non-volatile solute, that is B. Okay. When you added non-volatile solute B, that can occupy some of the places here. So how many molecules exposed now to surface area? Previously 100% or 100 molecules of only solvent is there. Now we are expecting 50 molecules exposed to surface area. Here you will get vapor. B is non-volatile. Okay. So A can evaporate. Here vapor pressure of is PS and corresponding boiling point is TS. P naught and PS, which is more? Where will you get more vapor pressure? P naught or PS? Where you can get more vapor pressure? And I will see now how many people they are responding. P naught, because here 100 molecules is there that can evaporate very easily, but only here 50 molecules is there that can evaporate less. So always P naught is greater than PS. With respect to vapor pressure, please note down this point. With respect to vapor pressure, P naught is greater than PS when that is a non-volatile solute. Understood? Now that vapor pressure may be assumed this is 760, but here only 700 only. So which is more value? 760. What is the temperatures here? Now same. T naught TS is same, sir. Now. Any doubt? Right? Vapor pressure P naught is greater than PS. Suppose, listen very carefully. Suppose I want to get, here already 760 is there. Here also I need to get 760. I'm thinking. I need to get both are same vapor pressure I need. Then suppose this boiling point is 100 degrees centigrade. Here also starting 100 degrees centigrade. At 100 degrees centigrade, this has 700, this has 760. But I am expecting I need to get 760 here also. Then we need to heat or not, this is. We are heating, more water molecules can evaporate. So when I am heating to get 760, suppose they are rising vapor pressure, it reaches 760, sir. At the time temperature is 130 degrees centigrade. We are heating, this is, that's why vapor pressure increases. At 130 degrees centigrade that reaches 760. So both have same vapor pressure 760, and which one have more boiling point? 100 and 130, which is more boiling point? The solution have more boiling point than T naught. Not on that point. Solution have more boiling point that have less vapor pressure. Generally, which one have more boiling point, less vapor pressure? That's simple point. Doubt? Any doubt? P solution have less vapor pressure, so more boiling point. Already we know that one inversely proportional. Now, please open your NCERT book, the elevation in boiling point. Please note down this order also. So we can write here, this is vapor, temperature difference, sir, which is T solution and P naught. Difference is Ts minus T naught, nothing but delta TB, that is they are taking. Directly proportional to molality of the solution. Molality of the solution, according to your NCERT book, sir, delta TB equal to Kb into M, we can write. Kb is the elevation constant or molar elevation constant. Open your NCERT book, they are given everything clearly. But you have to write every time quanta factor I into Kb into M. This is the final formula. This is you need to remember. Delta TB is directly proportional to molality. They provide one graph, sir, between vapor pressure versus temperature. So this is the given graph. Like this they mention. This is pure solvent. This solution. The solvent corresponding temperature is T naught. This is P naught. Pressure is P naught. So if you want to get same pressure from solution also, corresponding temperature is T solution. So same pressure we are getting, same 760 atmospheres we are getting, try to get both here, 760, 760 means you need to heat this is. Now T solution become more than T naught. Same you can see here also, if you want to get T naught and T solution same pressure, then temperature which is more, sir, Ts is more than T naught. Here. So when you have to get same vapor pressure, Ts should be greater than T naught. Delta TB, not 6 ray. Don't write this is, huh? B. B means boiling point. Delta TB. B means boiling point. KB. Right? Open your NCERT book at least once. You can open your NCERT book. What is the KB we called, right? And type and everything, SMS chat box also. Completed? Now what does the KB mean, sir? How many people you wrote? Boiling point elevation constant, helioscopic constant. Please look into textbook, NCERT book, then write. Everything from NCERT only we are discussing. Fine. Now you can see here delta TB equal to I into KB into molality. What you can write, sir? In place of molality, XB minus 1 minus XB into, I think so, MA by 1000 or 1000 by MA, that is 1000 by MA, I think so. Please write it. This formula also, molality mole fraction relation. Molality mole fraction relations are this is. Please check it, that is your NCERT in class notes. In place of molality, just we are writing different formulas. Then delta TB equal to I into KB into molality. In place of molality, I am writing in terms of molarity. M into 1000 by density into 1000 minus M into gram molecular mass of solute. So this is also one of the formula of molality and molarity relationship. So they make an ask delta TB by giving anything. So here KB, you have one formula from NCERT, sir. This is R TB means boiling point square by 1000 into LV, latent heat of vaporization. So LV equal to delta H vaporization by molecular weight. Then substitute in place of LV, what will get? KB equal to RTB square by 1000 into, in place of LV, I can write delta H vaporization by molecular weight. Then KB equal to RTB square, please write RTB square by 1000 into delta H vaporization into molecular weight. So this is the formula for KB formula. Please note down KB also. LV means latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization. You know that physics, no? Latent heat of vaporization. The amount of energy required to evaporate at particular temperature. I think so. Once completed, let me know that one. Any doubt also you can ask, sir. Any doubt you can ask. Ultimate formula is delta TB equal to I into KB into M. This is the basic formula. Okay. Delta TB equal to I into, I'm writing, sir, here. This is the only basic formula. Writing delta TB equal to I into KB into M. What is the M equal to formula? Modality formula. I into KB into weight by WB by MB. Please note down. 2000 by WA. A means solvent. B means solute. This is the formula, basic formula for delta TB. Mostly they can give delta TB value. They can ask either WB or MB values or I values they can ask. You're getting my point. Into KB is there. Please note down here. This is into not equal to, sir. Please note down. I'm writing, you can check it. This into not equal. This is the full formula of delta TB. Any doubt? Can you find from your NCERT at least one question? Or we'll discuss. Similarly, I'm writing one more formula also, you can check it. Today you can try to solve problems. Delta TF also is there, sir. Delta TF also same formula, that freezing point. I into KF into M. Everything is same, but here KF, here TF. We'll see next class, then try to solve some problems. I will try to upload in Planety today some problems, and you can check it. Okay? But do your daily problems are daily 15 questions plus theory practice. I'm going to be expect you that is very soon. I will give marks for main purposes which you are practicing class notes. Good. Thank you. Thank you very much.